Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wix to Shopify. First, you'll need to prepare your product data in Wix for export. This involves ensuring all product details, including descriptions, prices, and inventory levels, are up to date. We'll then export this information into a CSV file, which is a standard format for transferring data between e-commerce platforms. This process is straightforward and sets the foundation for a smooth transition. To begin exporting from Wix, log into your Wix account and go to your dashboard. Find the Store Products section, usually under Store Management. Here, you can select all the products you want to move. Look for an Export button, which will generate a CSV file. Save this file to your computer. It holds all the crucial information for your Shopify store. Now, let's move your products into Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin and navigate to Products. You'll see an Import button. Click it to upload the CSV file you just downloaded from Wix. Shopify will guide you through mapping the columns from your CSV to its own product fields. Carefully review this mapping to ensure everything aligns correctly before completing the import. After importing, take some time to thoroughly review your products in Shopify. Check that all images are present, descriptions are accurate, and prices are correct. Next, set up your shipping zones, payment methods, and tax settings to ensure your store is fully functional. Finally, perform a few test purchases to confirm everything works smoothly before officially launching your new Shopify store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.